tasting. They look so good and I'm really hungry.
Hey, subscribe, like and share please.
Hello everyone. So today we're gonna make a new video, and sorry we did not make videos for so long. So today we're gonna make a video, and we're gonna go to a really special and really nice place, and it's called Mont-royal. It's like a hiking place where with like no sticks or something. You just go up, and then there'll be a place where there's gonna be ice cream. There'll be lots of stairs. There'll be like some more stuff. In another, there's like a house, and then the most best part is that you can see the whole Montreal, and it'll be amazing trips. Okay, so now we have arrived at our destination, which is Mont-royal. So now we're gonna walk all the way up to the top. So let's go. So like we're gonna now go left, and then we're gonna go to another path, and then we're gonna keep going straight for a long time. So this is like we didn't start really hiking yet. Over there, now the path is getting a bit steep. It's getting darker and darker because it's the evening time, about to be night, 7 o'clock p.m. And I really love the lights. It looks so beautiful. Look at the lawn, perfectly cut in, and there's lots of trees, and they're like really thick trees. Look at this, lots of centimeters. Oh wow, and this is amazing. Okay, now it's getting steeper, and steeper, and now we're gonna turn left. Okay, so now we're gonna be in the light. We're gonna go straight almost continuously, and I really like that. That's another place to go over here, because then there's two more tracks. One track to go over here, other one to like the forest. This is like the best place to walk, but I like this more than the morning. So comment if you want to walk here in the night or the morning. Before there's like a little bit cold wind, which is getting into my eyes, and then it like little bit like my eyes get a bit wet. Look at these benches. Remember the last video where we went to Niagara Falls? Yeah, if you watched that, you have to watch it because it's amazing. Okay, so now our destination is right. We're going good so far, and now we're going down. And then we're gonna go up again, and I can see a house right over there. You can see those windows, really long windows. Oh, now the destination is right, and when we get right is here. Can you see that building? That's our view. We're here, we're almost here. Oh, so that's a restaurant over there. Really like it. And now we are here at our destination. You can see down there is that there's trees, lots of trees, and then over there is the city. I really like it. I mean, it's like so beautiful when all of the lights. Now we're at the downtown of Montreal, and we're really high up, and it's so beautiful. You see that? It's like there's green, like blue and purple. Yeah, that's a lake. That's a lake. And there's even a rainbow building. I'm trying to show you the weirdest thing. You can see over there, there's like a poster of a man on the building. That's weird. That's really weird. And I think so one time I saw another lake over there, and then you can see the road, and then there's cars, and then there's like a pyramid, and then there's more lights, and then there's a rainbow building, then there's that lake, then there's that man. There's lots of things. And then I think so the tallest building which I see is that, and this building has like a flat top. So I feel like that I'm on a mountain, because actually I'm not dumb, because we are. So now there's all of the people which are watching the view. And it seems so over there, we ate ice cream, and there was like an ice cream person. And now we can't eat ice cream today because the ice cream guy is not here. And that was the place which I was talking about. Now we're going on the steps, and there's a wide open area to run, play around. And these are the stairs which you can see. Oh, you see how beautiful this place is? Wow. I really like it. Look how much people there are. There's like, but over here there's not so much people. I don't like where there's a rush, but where I don't like in a rush to be in more is in the daytime. These are the stairs. Okay, I'm gonna see what's in there. Oh, it's not a restaurant. It's a sitting area. I think so, it's a restaurant, but it's not closed. There's all people which are sitting, having fun. Wait, I can see someone with ice cream. Maybe there's ice cream. Oh, maybe they got ice cream from inside and that was closed. Now we're gonna go over there to see some more because I can't see from that far. I'm just gonna find for open space. Oh look, there's a thing that you can see closely the buildings. Let me see. Whoa, that's really nice. I can see everything so close. I can see the moon. Wow, I can see that rainbow. Wow, I can see the lake so properly. I can see the proper roof of the building. That's so cool. So kids and friends, we had lots of fun. I'm staying at this place and it was a really beautiful place. And this was like awesome and I really liked it. So now we're gonna go for dinner. We're gonna go to a Turkish restaurant and it's called Maison Istanbul. And Istanbul is a city of Turkey. Okay, so it's a Turkish restaurant. And Maison means home. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe and please like. So bye. Okay, hello everyone. So now we're at our Turkish restaurant, coming back from Mont-royal. So now let's go inside. It says bienvenue means welcome in French. Come on, let's go. So this is the restaurant. This is the protein. It looks so good. I love protein. And today we're gonna order this called lamachon. And we're gonna order this. This is a meal. These are chicken nuggets and stuff, okay? And we're gonna order this thing. Wow, it looks good. And there's kebab, there's naan, and there's lentil soup, and there's everything to eat. This menu has really good things. and that's why I like coming at this restaurant. Now we're gonna see how they make it. These are all of the drinks over here. You see there's kebabs over there. And then there's chili sauce. Chilies. So now we have our food. This is the cheese pizza. This is our lamachon. This is a salad. These are our garlic sauce. And the same things over there. And they look really, really good. I'm really excited to eat. They look so good and I'm really, really hungry. Look at that. Amazing. I mean, the crust looks like naan. Okay. Now I'm eating. This much is left, okay? And this is our plate. All of this mini rice, the sauce. This burnt, this burns like I don't know. This is tomato, and this is green chili. This is the kebab. This is naan. This is fries, and this is a chicken. There's a lot of stuff on the plate. I just drank my iced tea. So now bye.
Okay, are you ready? Okay, looking at the ground. Okay. When I say go ahead, I just want to say do like this, Maison Istanbul, and do like this. Then you're gonna be ready, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Hey, subscribe, like and share please.